Next, on the left-hand side, let's click on Domains. In here, we'll want to buy a new domain. Additionally, you can connect an existing domain from a third-party site like Google Domains or GoDaddy. But buying a domain on Shopify will cost a little bit more, but it makes it a lot easier to set it up on your website because Shopify handles everything on the back end for you. So in my case, I'll click on Buy New Domain, and I'd recommend finding a domain that ends in .com. But for me today, I'll be doing furprints.store. Here you'll see that domain is available, and I can click on Buy to buy the domain. I'll then click on Buy Domain to purchase it. Once you're done purchasing, make sure you check your email that you used to sign up for Shopify with to confirm your domain. As you can see here, I have an email from Shopify, and I'll click on this link here to verify my domain. I'll click on Verify Information, and the contact information is now verified. It can take up to a couple hours for your domain to go live and for everything to finish verifying, so don't be worried if it takes a while.